Hey YouTube family! So in this video, I am going to wash my hair. So first disclaimer is I am not a loctician, I am not a beauty guru, I am not anywhere a lock professional at all. All I do on this channel is share my journey with you guys, share my experiences. I am not a professional. So what I say here is not professional advice, it's just my experience that I'm sharing with you guys. With that said, I wanted to tell you guys that today, for the first time in having my locks for over 6 years, I will be washing my hair with the Dawn Dishwashing Liquid. And that's this one right here. It is recommended to use this color, the blue one, because it's more stronger, more ultra. It gets rid of grease and dirt and grime more. The reason why I'm doing this is because I haven't really given my locks a really deep clean cleansing in a very long time. I've never ever washed my hair with Dawn dishwashing liquid or any dishwashing liquid, matter of fact. The most I've done is a few years ago, maybe 3 years ago, I did do an apple cider vinegar rinse and it gave me good results, but I don't care much for it because it's a lot of work. You gotta mix the apple cider vinegar, salt, baking soda, all of that. You gotta put it in it's just too much work for me. So I don't care to do it. I don't have a lot of buildup, but that doesn't mean I don't have buildup at all. Because I interlock my hair mostly, I don't use that much products because I don't really retwist. I don't have a lot of product in my hair, but I do retwist occasionally. And I found that last year, 2015, I retwisted maybe about 3 to 4 times for the entire year. And this year, 2016, I probably retwisted once for the year already. Only my roots. And I only do that when I need to go somewhere and I didn't have time to interlock my hair. So with that said, I know there's some kind of buildup in there, and plus I really want to give my hair a really good deep clean because I live here in New York City and there's so much dirt and grime and just so much in the air on a regular basis that gets in my locks. I know it traps and holds on to things. So I feel I want to give my hair a really good clean to just start fresh. And also, more importantly, in a few days it will be my birthday. My birthday is July 17th, so why not start off another wonderful fantastic year with really clean, deep clean, squeaky clean locks. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. But like I say, as I prefaced this video before, the Dawn dishwashing liquid does not have the best ingredients for your locks. It will, from my research, dry your hair out. It's not something that you use every day, every week, every month. I'm just doing this once after having my locks for 6 years. And if I do decide to do it again, it will probably be in a few years from now or maybe next year. But it will not be something I will do on a regular basis because I understand that this will dry my hair out and it will get it squeaky clean. With that said, without further ado, I'm going to wash my hair. And part of me really don't want to wash my curls out because I've had my curls in for almost 3-4 weeks now. I'm so in love with them. Really don't want to wash them out, but hey, that's the name of the game. I do have to wash my hair, so I'll let you guys know the results after I am done. And if any of you guys ever washed your hair with Dawn dishwashing liquid before, let me know in the comment section. Just because I want to know who else is crazy like me to do something like this. But once in a while, I will break the rules of all my health and green beauty products just to get a really deep clean if it means helping my locks. But just once in a while, right? Ain't no harm in that. Pardon my face if you see a mask. It's because when I usually wash my hair, I always do a face mask at the same time just to give my face a good clean while washing my hair. So I'll be doing a face mask at the same time. So if my face looks kind of weird or crazy, just ignore it. Just ignore it. Because if I clean my face, I clean my hair, I clean my face too. And that's what we do every Sunday. Hair and face get washed together. So just ignore it and just enjoy the rest of the video. Alright. As you can see, I am back. Hair is totally different. It is all washed. Mostly, I would say 90% dry, still a slight bit damp. And I put it in these 2-strand twists some chunky 2-strand twists. Well, for me it's not 2 strands, it's more like a lot of strands because my hair, my locks are so small. But this is the look right now. But it's not about the look, it's about my thoughts on the Dawn dishwashing liquid that I used to wash my hair. I did not see as much dirt and grime leave my hair as I thought I was going to see, which is a good thing. I thought the tub was going to be really, really dark and dirty and just grimy and black and just brown and nasty. It was some brown when the water was washing out of my hair, but it wasn't as bad as I thought, so that's good. My hair does feel really, really clean. It feels that squeaky clean feeling. After I finished, it really felt like my hair went through the valley of the shadow of death because it was dry. It was really dry. But I did not fear any evil because I knew how to fix it. After I washed with the dishwashing liquid, I followed up with my Alafia Everyday Shea Shampoo. This is the moisturizing shampoo. And I did do a review on this shampoo. You guys can feel free to watch it if you would like. The link for that video will be in the description bar. But I followed up with this, and this did a great job of adding the moisture back in my hair. So this really helped because after the dishwashing liquid, my hair was really, really dry. And it felt like that squeaky, sparkling, clean feeling, which is what I really wanted, but it needed to have a lot of moisture back in my hair. So I followed up with that. And then after that, I let my hair air dry for a little bit. When I was 2-strand twisting my hair, I used this Extraordinaire. It is called Extraordinary Hair. If you love it, it will grow. And I received this in my swag bag when I went to Loc Appreciation Day. I used this all over my scalp as I was 2-strand twisting my hair. And then even when I was finished, I put a little bit more all over my scalp. And then I put on my dryer and did kind of like a drying my hair, but at the same time, hot oil treatment with this oil. So that's how I followed up with that. And now my hair feels wonderful. It really does feel clean from the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Not that it was crazy dirty before, because I thought that my hair was just disgusting, but it wasn't that as bad as I thought. It feels really good. I'm very happy with the results, very pleased. Would I use the Dawn dishwashing liquid again? Possibly. Definitely not anytime this year. Maybe next year, I'm not sure, but you never know. If I need to, I would. But like I said before, you guys, this is not something I would recommend you do on a regular basis or every month or every 2 months. This is only maybe once a year, once every few years when you feel like you really need to deep clean your locks, because no matter how clean you think your hair is, it's locks, people. Things get trapped inside of it, debris, no matter if you don't use any product, things just from the air itself might get trapped inside your locks. So it is a good idea to give it a deep clean here and there. Whether it's with the dishwashing liquid or apple cider vinegar, your preference, but I do recommend you to give your hair a deep clean ever so often. Apple cider vinegar, like I said, is just too much work for me, so I just took the easy route and did the Dawn dishwashing liquid. Not the best ingredients, but like I said, this is a once a year or every 2 years, or in my case, it took me 6 years to try this. So try it at your own risk if you're interested. These are my thoughts, my experiences, because it's my journey. Do it at your own risk. I enjoy the results. I think it's a fantastic idea to do ever so often. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section as usual. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media sites. Everything is at Kaya Journey. And thank you guys so much for watching another video from me. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and make sure you guys are enjoying your journey. Bye.